Alright, hey guys, it is Katie. So today I'm back for another mukbang, which I am so excited about because I have not had Chipotle in so long. Like I said, it is a Chipotle mukbang, and let's just get right into it because I'm hungry. And look, I got queso this time, guys. It's my first time trying it. I'm super excited. Okay, and you guys know there's a recall on romaine. Actually, it ended today, but I guess they still don't have any, so I couldn't get lettuce. So what else? I always break the dang straw. Did I break it? Arg, I did break it. I always break the straw because I'm always so spastic when I open it. We have no time to waste because I'm so hungry. So, ooh, don't want to waste that guacamole. The whole shebang. Whoa, this cheese is hot. I've heard lots of mixed reviews about this cheese. That's good. But actually, for my last mukbang, my last Chipotle mukbang, someone told me to try the queso, so that's what I'm going to be trying today. Okay, let's get a quick thumbnail. Okay, good enough. Oh my god, guys. So yeah, they ran out of lettuce, but that's okay. Oh my god, sorry guys. I'm like so hungry and kind of like, and my family just got home. Okay, let's try it with a chip really quick. Oh my god. You guys, this is heavenly. So, oh, and I got a Coke. So, I usually get a burrito bowl. I always get double rice, chicken. I sometimes get a veggie bowl. But yeah, I got chicken, extra corn salsa, extra hot sauce, guacamole, corn salsa, sour cream, and cheese, and then usually lettuce, but you know, they didn't have any. One time I got to Chipotle and they didn't have any guacamole. Like, how do you run out of guacamole at Chipotle? Oh my god. I love having it with chips. That is freaking delicious. Some of the queso. This is really good. Chipotle. Do they have Chipotle where you guys live? I don't know if Chipotle is like everywhere or only in some areas. I don't know. I put a lot of guacamole in here. Or one, so I'm saying. Whoa. Slow down, Katie. Okay. So I want to give a huge shout out to everyone who's been subscribing and commenting and all of that and liking my videos. I'm honestly so shocked. Like, every time I go on my YouTube channel, more people subscribe, and every time I'm like, oh my god, it's just so amazing. So yeah, thank you guys so much. You have no idea how happy it makes me. I don't know, I've never really had a hobby before, so this is like really fun for me, like to come home and make videos. Like, it's just really fun. This is delicious. Has anyone watching this ever not tried Chipotle before? I want to know. My favorite ingredient in this bowl is actually the corn salsa. It's so good. And I used to actually never get corn salsa, but then once I found out about it, I get it extra every time. So how's your guys' day going? Mine is doing pretty good. Well, I got to eat this, so it's going great. I don't work today either, so that's cool. It is Tuesday. It is 3:10, which is a really weird time to eat. I have no idea what I'm eating right now. I was just really hungry. And yeah. Also, so I was challenged to do the 100 chicken nugget challenge by Sinister Nemesis. Definitely check out his channel, guys. I will link it down below. Well, he tagged me in it a little bit ago, I think on November 11th, but I didn't have my post notifications turned on because I didn't really know that was even a thing. So now I do. But yeah, I'm going to be doing that challenge, and oh my god, I'm so excited. The chicken nuggets look so good. My mom watched his video too, and she even thought the chicken nuggets looked really good. She doesn't even like the chicken nuggets from there. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm so excited. I'm not too sure when I should do it though. I don't know. Sometime soon though. Sorry you guys that I'm kind of always all over the place in my videos. It's just like how my brain works. Like I'm always like scatterbrain. I kind of need to go to the mall today to return something. But it's a little bit far from me. But I just want an excuse to go to the mall. Ooh, I need to get out my emergency water. Emergency water. I wouldn't say I'm a baby when it comes to spicy foods. I don't know. Maybe I am. Well, I get extra red salsa, and it's actually pretty hot, guys. Does anyone agree with me on that or disagree? Because I know some people are like hardcore spicy people and they're like, no. Like, one time I bought the spicy noodles from the Asian market that I live by. Or, sorry, international market. It just has like a bunch of different cultures and foods. Or, okay, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, so I got the noodles. I mean, my boyfriend did the challenge and I ate it and I was like, oh, it was hot for me. I didn't react like some of the people do in the videos, but it was still hot. But he like just ate it like it was nothing. So, I don't know. Except, I don't know. If anyone has ever had the spicy noodles, they're actually really good. They're just really hot if you pour in the whole packet. But if you just pour in like half the packet or like a quarter of the packet, it's really delicious and it's not that hot. Mm. Mm. I love making mukbangs, guys. Like, it's so easy for me just to talk to you guys and eat. Huh. Sorry guys, my armpit fat keeps coming out. I just always had these little chunky underarm fat rolls. But whatevs. This meal probably doesn't help them, but you know. This queso is really good. Whoa. So thank you whoever made a comment in that Chipotle video for me to try it. I've always loved Chipotle so much. I just want to try the peppers and onions. But I just wasn't a big fan of the green peppers. I kind of was scared that I wasn't going to like the queso. Because I heard a lot of people say some, I don't know, not necessarily bad stuff about it. I guess just that it was weird tasting. I think it's really good though. But yeah, guys, watch Sinister Nemesis. Watch his chicken nugget challenge. You guys will immediately want chicken nuggets. Trust me. He made them look so good. I'll probably need my brother and sister in the video though, because I already know I can't eat 100. Just saying. While I'm there at McDonald's eating all the chicken nuggets, I really want to get sweet and sour sauce. I've never had it before, but I want to really try it. I want to go to the mall after this, but the mall I want to go to is far. It's like 2 cities away from me. But I don't really have anything else to do, so, well, homework, but who wants to do that? If anyone was wondering, you might not be, I don't know. I am a senior in high school, and I am planning on going to college and everything, except I make a lot of jokes about not going to college, but deep down inside I'm gonna go. Are any of you guys in college? I feel like as I get closer to going, I get more excited about it because, oh God, I have hair on me. Before, I don't know, I guess I was kind of looking at it like it's just another 4 more years of high school, but now I'm very excited for it. Do you guys like my hair? I have pigtails. Told me I look like Harley Quinn. I feel like I just look like a 4th grader. Oh guys, I'm getting full. The rice like really fills you up. Plus there's so many like protein filled things in this, so it makes sense. Okay, I think I should just know my limits and stop after this. There's like peppers or something in the queso. Alright, I'm gonna clean this all up and then I will see you guys right after. Okay guys, so that will be it for this video. I hope everyone enjoyed, and then I just want to say thank you again for everyone who's watching and subscribing and liking and commenting and all that good stuff. And then shout out to Sinister Nemesis for challenging me for that nugget challenge that will be coming soon, so definitely look out for that, guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!